I'll share something with you, dear Leo, in hope that it lands at some point. It may not necessarily land for you today. In order for you to access more of your power, you need to have space. Space, I'm talking about internally. And the way that you have more space internally so that you can see, experience, and access more of your power is by dealing with the unexpressed emotions, is by dealing with the unexpressed words, unexpressed memories, unexpressed ideas. Essentially, by taking the time to face and facilitate every part of you that has been trapped in your body. And every part of you that has been trapped in your body is trapped in the form of a memory. So a memory of, when you were 5, something occurred in your life at the time. You didn't know how to express yourself because you didn't have the language. You're 5. How do you know anything about emotions? Boom, that memory gets trapped. And that's what takes up your space and doesn't allow you to access your power. So it's time to go within and start bringing love to all the unloved parts of you.